Are you ready for TOP WiseHer She Strong Conference? March 10th, 11th, and 12th. March 12th will be at Elim, 70 Chalmers. Sponsored by Roswell Park Comprehensive Cancer Center. Let's take a peek at some of our workshop facilitators for March 11th. Kendra Brim, Alexia Herod, Dawn Askew, Vanity Withrow, Adria Swain, and Mark Overall. WiseHer, get your groove on with DJ Shad every day of the conference. Let's go! And did you think we would leave you hungry? Absolutely not. Nothing but the top best chefs in Buffalo will be there to supply your every nutritious needs. Give it up for Chef Crystal from TNC Catering Company. And Chef Shantae from Her Occasion Catering. Only at the Lady Ray Cafe. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We are WiseHer Together. Great people go to the top. See you at the conference.